Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm showing you how you can easily add a spring vibe to your cupcakes. I'm using plain vanilla cupcakes and will be decorating them with an Italian buttercream, to which I just posted a recipe to. I'll be using Pearl Pink and Wilton Purple to color this in various stages. For the first set of cupcakes, I'll be coloring the buttercream in just pink, and using a Wilton 2D tip, I pipe the rosettes. Next, I use the remainder of the buttercream to add just a bit of purple to it, which gives it a beautiful romantic lilac tone. Finally, I'll be coloring the buttercream in purple. Using the same colors I used for the buttercream, I've colored some fondant. I'll be cutting out various shapes and sizes of flowers. I'll be using hydrangea plungers, cherry blossom in various sizes, small daisies, and veiners to give the larger flowers a three-dimensional look. For the center of the flowers, I'll be using metallic sugar pearls in gold and silver. That's it. That's how I created my Flower Power cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed these instructions. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas.